Hello and thank you for joining me today. In this video, we are demonstrating a fundamental shift in how the home server interface is built. We are currently in the process of converting our entire front end to utilize a library of reusable UI components. We're building every single tab to use everything you're going to see in this demonstration. What you're looking at is the test tab. This premium tab serves as a living showcase of our complete component library. 24 standardized components, each one engineered to work seamlessly together, fully documented and production ready. Our tab system is designed to handle infinite depth of tabs. This lets you nest infinite complexity. You can create tab groups within tab groups, building interfaces that scale from simple dashboards to enterprise-grade administration panels, all while maintaining visual consistency and remaining responsive. This isn't just a gallery. It is a toolkit for your own dreams. Because we are rebuilding the system with these standard blocks, you can simply clone our repository. You can point your eye at this component library and tell it to build you a completely new premium tab. The test tab demonstrates every component in action, showing you exactly how they behave, how they interact, how they respond to user input. Let's talk about what's actually here. We have buttons with 5 variants and 3 sizes, each with loading states, icon support, and styled through our CSS variable system, meaning they automatically adapt to any theme. We have toggle switches, checkboxes, input fields with validation, select dropdowns, sliders for numeric ranges, calendar components for date selection, time pickers, file inputs, progress bars, tables with sorting and filtering, collapsible sections, breadcrumb navigation, text boxes for multi-line content, row info tiles for displaying structured data, cards with multiple variants, badges for status indicators, and more. You do not need to write CSS. You do not need to debug validation logic. You simply import these components, stack them, and they just work. Every component is fully typed with TypeScript. Your editor will autocomplete props. Your compiler will catch errors before runtime. This isn't just easier development. This is safer development. Everything standardized is already wired to speak to the Flask backend. Your backend will simply define the logic you need to accomplish your task. These components will allow effortless structuring of UIs to satisfy any need. Whether you're building a backup management system, a network configuration interface, a media library browser, or something entirely new, the components handle the presentation layer. You handle the business logic. In the before times, every single tab defined its own logic, using self-contained CSS files. This meant there would be conflicts. With this change, the site should begin to look and feel like a more cohesive package, without any more collisions, and more importantly, allowing anyone to build, create, and explore, while remaining in theme the entire time. By strictly adhering to this component library, we solve the problem of form factor for everyone. Every modal, every table, and every input is engineered to collapse and scale mathematically. This means that when you build an enterprise-grade tool on a desktop, you have automatically built a mobile-native application. The test tab itself demonstrates this. Every component shown here works perfectly on a phone, on a tablet, on a desktop, on an ultra-wide monitor. The layout adapts. The spacing adjusts. The interactions remain intuitive. The test tab is open source. It's part of our repository. You can study it. You can copy from it. You can use it as a reference implementation. When you're building your own premium tab, you're not starting from scratch. You're building on a foundation. This is how we're building the future of HOMESERVER. Through open, standardized, reusable components. Components that anyone can use. Components that anyone can extend. This concludes the demonstration of our component showcase. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye.